Here is Tesla Model XL, the minivan, Tesla minivan we have been waiting for. Embrace the sliding doors. What do you think about this, friends? Sliding doors enhance usability by leaps and bounds. Welcome back, friends. This is Armen Haryan from TalkNews.com, and today I'm going to talk about a little bit about Tesla Minivan XL. An article, good article on Inside EVs by Loveday talks about that. In the meantime, if you are here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel and like this video to show your appreciation of all the people who have helped me to bring this to you. And let's get started. So what do you think of a Tesla minivan? It's called Tesla XL minivan with sliding doors. You know, though the Tesla Model X has a certain high level of versatility, the deletion of the falcon-wing doors in favor of minivan-like sliding doors would make it so much better in regards to usability, access, ease of entry and exit, parking in confined space, and more. I agree with this view. And do you think Falcon doors for Model X have helped? I think I would. We're used to minivans. Yes, Tesla wanted to be different in many ways when Tesla introduces new cars, like for example, take Cybertruck. We were all looking forward or hoping to see or thinking to see a current pickup truck like design, but then all of a sudden Tesla came up with the design of the Cybertruck, totally different. But regarding minivan, you know, you drive in small, you have places when Falcon doors may not open well or may not work very well. So would you embrace the idea of Tesla Model XL, a minivan? So with the slider door and Falcon door thing in mind, Drivable Designs set out to create a Tesla Model XL in minivan form. You probably recall that Drivable Designs just released rendering of the Model XL, but that set of images didn't feature sliding doors. Commenters on InsideEVs asked for images of the Model XL with proper minivan-like sliding doors, and Drivable Designs delivered. So you're seeing them in your screen. What do you think? Tesla minivan, the Model XL, is this a good idea for Tesla to follow up? We should note that in order to accommodate the sliding doors, the Model X had to be lengthened and otherwise tweaked a bit, as Drivable Design states. Here's a quote from them. I see that a lot of people viewing this would have liked the rendering to have sliding doors. I listened and created this Tesla Model XL minivan. I had to make the whole vehicle longer and then reposition a few things to get a perfect rendering. Down below we include the first set of Model XL renders without the sliding doors for comparison. After checking both versions out, do you have a preference? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, please. Tesla should definitely maybe make an electric minivan. We can all agree that, all agree on that, right? Minivans is a huge market. I'm a family man. We have 3 children, and we use a Honda minivan for our Honda Odyssey for our purposes. When my parents or relatives visit us, you know, and we have to go places, we go places together, we use the minivan because it has the 3rd row. You can seat people, more people, and go with as a happy, nice family, talking to each other on the road. It's much better than just doing carpools. So, you know, maybe this is a good idea for Tesla to think about this market. Do you think it will be good if Tesla enters the minivan market and comes up with a minivan? Let me know, please. In fact, talking about converting cars, check out our yesterday's report about a company in California, I don't remember the name right now, that converted Tesla Model 3 into a convertible, a topless Tesla Model 3. It looked a little bit like a Volkswagen Beetle, but not much. I personally liked it. Some people said they didn't like it in previous, in other places, in online forums, but I kind of liked it, and just if you haven't seen that, take a look at that. And friends, do have a wonderful day. I have an interesting couple of interesting reports coming later today, and one of them a criticism about what Tulsa is doing with that statue, and they're almost idolizing Elon Musk, and this is not a good thing. You know, you shouldn't put your hope on human being. And what will happen if Tulsa is not chosen? How will they be viewed as putting that giant statue, which is already there, but they're almost, this is becoming almost Elon Musk worship, which, which is not a good thing. Huh? We should be reasonable in everything. Okay, well, thank you very much. Let me know what you think about this slidable door Tesla minivan XL, or turning a Model X into a minivan for families. And have a wonderful day, friends. This is Armin Haryan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video to show your support and appreciation of all the people that helped me to bring these reports to you. And stay safe, take good care of each other and your families, and I'll see you in our next report. God bless you, everyone.